Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about deforestation. First we must know what is deforestation. Deforestation is a conversion of forest land into non-forest land. Okay, nowadays forests are destructed or which are destroyed, okay, and which are converted into farmland and which are converted for other usages. So the first we'll discuss about the causes of deforestation. The main cause is encroachment of forest land. Okay, people encroach the forest land for their uses. It may be for converting that into agricultural form or for developing an industry in that area or any such activities. Then the next reason or next cause is for the expansion of cities. Okay, nowadays cities are expanding, even it is disturbing or destroying the forests. Then for constructing dams, canals, and highways. Okay, for all these purposes, people are destroying the forest and converting that forest land into dams, canals, and highways. Then establishment of industrial areas for developing industries in the forest land, which are very common nowadays. So the forest land is converted into industrial area. Then demand for firewood. People are spoiling or disturbing the forest for getting firewood out of the forest. Then for mining, okay, for carrying out the mining operation, okay, people are disturbing or destroying the forest, which leads to soil erosion and affects the biodiversity. Then for shifting of cultivation also, this deforestation is being carried out. Then forest fire is another main reason, especially during the hot season. Hot summer, it is very common in hilly areas. Then submergence of forest in river valley projects. So this is another cause for the deforestation. So here we can see how the forest land is affected or converted into, okay, a land without any plants and trees. Okay, the deforestation is also caused due to fire or forest fire. Then for cultivating palm oil, we are converting or the forest region is destroyed, okay, and which are converted into palm oil cultivation region. Then the various effects of deforestation, the rainfall vanishes. Okay, so in the olden days, okay, people used to get rainfall very often. Okay, nowadays the forests are affected through deforestation, which reduces the rainfall, and even the climatic changes are also happening because of this deforestation. Then soil erosion is another problem. Wherever forests and so many trees and plants are there, the soil erosion is under control, or the soil erosion may not even take place. Okay, so the forest plays a major role in controlling soil erosion. Then through deforestation, the land becomes unusable land. We cannot use it, okay, for most of the useful purposes. Then disastrous flooding may happen. So the deforestation area or the area which are converted into a normal area, okay, through deforestation, there is a lot of chances for the happening of flood in that particular region. Then limited food and shelter. Okay, so this is also another problem. Okay, we don't get the food which are normally obtained from the forest region. Okay, then the desertification. So the forest land are converted into deserted land or desert through this deforestation. Then disappearance of ways of life. The human life is very much affected because of this deforestation due to the reduction in oxygen level and the increase in temperature. So a lot of negative impacts especially on climatic condition, is taking place mainly due to deforestation. Then the important effect is global warming. The temperature of the globe is keep on increasing, and that is mainly because of the deforestation. The next is greenhouse effect. Okay, that is also very much affected, or okay, that is also happening because of this deforestation. Then increase in the CO2 level, that is also mainly because of deforestation. Then habitat fragmentation is also happening because of this deforestation. Okay, so the drought which are happening, okay, in the forest region because of deforestation. From this picture we can understand how this deforestation converts a land into a drought land. Okay, then what are all the preventive measures we can take? Okay, the government is taking some efforts, but it is not sufficient. Okay, we need to encourage people, okay, not to destroy forest region, okay, for their personal use or for their personal benefits. Okay, that must be stopped. Then tree plantation programs must be started, okay, which will compensate the forests which are already affected. Then education and awareness program must be conducted in schools, colleges, and it must be passed on to even common people, and we need to make them to understand the importance of forest and their uses. Then strict implementation of law on forest conservation must be implemented. Okay, we need to implement strict laws. Okay, people are not so serious, okay, on deforestation and simply cutting and destroying the forest land. So by implementing strict law, okay, we can somehow control the effect of deforestation. Thank you.